There are tough times, and we are getting cut right across services, public services in North Yorkshire, and all that has a knock-on effect on crime rates, and it has an additional burden to policing and police forces. Particularly, we see that in the mental health scenario, and that is one key area where I think that, as Police and Crime Commissioner, I want to commit to be able to do more and provide more facilities and better training for officers in dealing with mental health issues.
Well, as you know, that's something I've really been working on in York with the closure of Booth and Park Hospital and really drilling down into what happened there, but also about building up the services for the future to make sure we've got the right mental health services, because people are ending up in the criminal justice system, which should end up in the health system, and it's really important we support people when they've got mental health challenges to get the right support they need, and that's why having a service that understands it means that we can manage people's health a lot better. And only this week I've been arguing that we need to put that support into schools, we need to put that support into our community in order to obviously address the challenges people are facing at this time. And what we've gone from is a system where actually you're criminalised because of your ill health, and that cannot be right.
No, and the other side of the coin in terms of mental health illness, there's just been a study released this week by Mind into actual mental health within the emergency services, and that is a growing issue within our emergency services today for frontline workers. The results of these cuts and the impact of having to do a lot more and deliver the same standard of service with a lot less is really impacting on people's quality of health within our emergency services.
Work-related stress is such a big issue, and obviously post-traumatic stress disorder amongst those serving officers as well is a big issue, and it's really important that people who are working in our service are careful so that they can do their job effectively and aren't spending time off sick. And that's why having somebody that actually understands those issues, being in a service dealing with trauma, can pick that up and put that right. And that's why it's so important on the 5th of May, people do take the time to go out and vote. It only takes a few minutes, a normal polling station, just to go out and vote for Steve Howley for Police and Crime Commissioner will make a difference for North Yorkshire policing, but will also make a real difference for the community too.
Right, thanks a lot for that, Rachel.
Okay.